29. The Spider. This is a Makki Surah. It was probably revealed in early Makkan period before the migration to Ebyssinia. It has 69 verses in 7 sections. This surah reminds the believer to be strong in their faith and not to give up their faith because of hardship or family pressures. Stories of previous prophets and their followers are also mentioned here to show that the path of the truth is not an easy path. It has trials and hardships. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Tests and trials are part of faith. Number 2. Examples of Prophet Noah and Ibrahim, peace be upon them. Number 3. Examples of Prophet Lut, peace be upon him. Number 4. Examples of Prophet Shu'aib. References to the people of Ad, Thamud, Qarun and Pharaoh. Message of Prophet Moses, peace be upon him. Spider web of Shirk. Number 5. Give the message of Allah in the best way. Number 6. Warnings to the non-believers. Number 7. The truth will succeed. Allah guides the steps of those who follow the right path.